So this is Gimp, and I'm using it on Linux Ubuntu version, Studio version. I will make another video showing you all the features of this flavor of Linux. But for now, let's go over the transparent background using Gimp. So I downloaded a logo from YouTube. It's got a white background. So file open, and here's my logo. And as you can see, it's got a white background, but it also has some white right here in the logo. So it's going to require an extra step. So for now, I'm going to go to select by color, and I select all the color. Now, you can delete it. Actually, you got to go to layer, transparency, add alpha channel, and this is going to allow you to delete all the white, all the selection. So you hit the delete button and it deletes all the white. But you see right here, it deleted the white out of the logo. And we don't want that unless you get a white background anyways. But let's Control Z and get rid of that. And what we can do here is just take your select tool, but instead of adding to selection, you go to the third icon, which is subtract from the current selection, or if you hold Control and you just put a circle around it, connect the dots, it's gonna take that selection out, and then just hit enter. So now you can hit the delete button and it's gonna keep the white in the logo but erase the rest of the white. And that is how you remove the background from an image using Gimp. Now Gimp is an open source tool. There's no fee. It's a great alternative to Adobe Photoshop and many other tools out there. Like I said, it's open source, so there's never a fee. And yes, it may not have as many features, and there's a bit of a learning curve from Photoshop to Gimp, but it's worth the learning. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and check out my other social media accounts in the description, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.